Are you going to get me?
I gotcha!
Ah! You silly goose. Gracie, where are you going?
Up here.
What are you going to do? Are you going to play in the puddle?
I'm playing in a puddle, Grandma.
What puddle? Oh. What are you doing now? Gracie, what are you doing?
I'm here. Help me. Thank you. Dad, you help us.
Gracie, what's your address? No, I can't hear you.
Southern Cross Lane.
Southern Cross Lane. What's the number? 1, 2, and then what? 7?
7.
Okay.